Hello friends, we are in the fourth part of Power Apps application learning. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to create a data source and how to make an app from that data source. So it is such an interesting topic. So without further more delay, let's get into our topic. So to create a data source, you should have a website. Okay. So how to create a website, a video on how to create a website I have posted earlier. So I will give a suggestion card here. So you can go to that and see how to create a website. So for now, I'm going to take a website that I created earlier. So let me go to SharePoint because all my websites will be available in the SharePoint. Now let me go to this education. Any one website I can take. Okay, so I'm taking education website. In that, I'm going to create a list. So new list. So I'm going to create a blank list. Now I'm going to give a name. Let me give student details. Student details. If you need, you can give description. I no need any site navigation. So now create. So let it create. So you have your list here. You can add on to your list columns and your titles. So now in title, I'm going to change my title name. So column settings rename. I'm going to give it as name of the students. And in column, I'm going to add the column as first. I'm going to give of type choice. So department, I'm going to give as a column name. Department. So if you need description, you can give. In my case, I know description. So choices I'm going to give now. CSE, IT, NEC. So you can give as many choices as you need. ECE, Triple E, Biotech. Okay, Biotech. Biomed. And Mechatronics MCT. Civil. Automobile. Okay, this is enough. Now, can add values. Default value is none, is kept to none. More option is drop down menu is only going to show here, and allow multiple options, no. So column validation, it's enough. So save. So this department column is got added here. Now I'm going to add another column, section. So section is also of choice type, right? So it's going to be section, and choices is A, B, C. Only 3 choices per section. And I'm going to save this. Now you can add another column. Yes or no? So let me ask age. Age is if he is 18 and above. Yes or no type. Default value is yes and no. Save. So you have created a table structure. Now for adding values, you click on this new icon and add your values. So enter your value here. First I'm going to give a name. Department I'm going to select. Okay, age is 18 plus and no name. Save. So let me create another field. So I'm going to give another name. Department, section, no, save. So like this you give some 10 to 15 records you give to your list. Yes. Now I created many fields here. Okay. So after creating these records, what you should do is save your list and go to Power Apps. Okay, here in Power Apps, here you will have start from data. Okay, you're going to start from the data you have in your previous created source. So in start from data, click on SharePoint because you have created a data source in the SharePoint. So click on SharePoint and click on your mail ID. Okay, after selecting your mail ID, you will get some of the recent sites. In that, education is my recent site. In that, choose your list and give connect. This may take a while. Just be ready with your next step. Yes, now you can see here the new app is being created. This is your new application. This will not be stored in your previous created education application. This is your new application. So this will be in this case. So let me run this app. So on running this app, if I give select Dev, then title, department, a section, and if he is 18 plus or not. Okay, all these details will be listed. You can also scroll down. First three details will be displayed here. Fourth detail, if you have to see, then you have to go inside one particular record. So you can see luck. So ACE, C, ages 18 plus. So you are civil, C, on. So this is how it will be done. You can also delete or you can also edit this item. On editing this item, you can see, you can check this, you can change this, you can also change this. Of this, click. So this will be edited. You can also delete this item. Okay, see, on deleting, this tree will get deleted. Okay, you also don't have UR because you edited UR to Sri and Sri got deleted. You can also refresh this. You can also search for an item. Let me search for, no. See, it got displayed. Here, you can do this. So if you do this, it will be sorted. Okay, so this is how adding an application or creating an application from the existing data source. So this is how you can create an application from the list created in your SharePoint website. Okay, now save your application. You should go to file. So you can give file, save. So to save your file, save your application, give name of your application. You can edit this. I will give student. Okay, save my application, saving to Power Apps. It may take a while. Let's wait for it. After saving, you must publish your application. Only then, if you publish, you can share your details. Okay, now on saving, it got published too. So share your application. On sharing, you can provide any of your domain mail address. Okay, so Jayshree is the owner, and you can enter a name. So let me add a person. If that particular person has to use or edit or share your app, you can use this. Or else, if he or she, if we can only see or view all your details, then you should not check this. Okay, because on checking this, you can modify your application. Now share your application. It may take a while. Let's wait for some time. Okay, now close this. And here you have a web link, right? Copy that web link. Okay, copy that web link. Go to your SharePoint website. Go to your website. Here, edit this. On edit option, it's there, right? Okay, let me give you. Edit. Click on the component. Search for Power Apps, Microsoft Power Apps. Paste your web link here. If you need to show border, you can on the else if not needed, you can off. Okay, so your application will be displayed in your website too. So to provide an application even in your website, you can make use of this and republish it. While republishing, you can see educational website, your student details. You can also add details here. You can also search for the same thing, whatever you done in your Power Apps application, you can do here also. You can scroll down for seeing the details. You can click on this to view completely. Okay, so I think you're clear with this concept. This is how you can create a data source, and from that data source you can create your application. Also, you can paste or give the link of your application into your website. So thank you friends. Let's see in the next video with some more concepts. If you have any detailed if you need any detailed explanation or if you have any doubt, drop your comments in the comment section.